Okay guys, eto na. Kami check-in na. So, yun. Okay. Check-in na kami dito sa Swiss Garden Hotel. Wow. Bango. You know, Swiss Garden. Yun. Yun, oh. Hi, thank you. Ito ang lobby. Okay.
So I was working here in the front desk. I was working inside the ministry. So this is a hotel. Swiss Garden.
Ito pa rin yung trabaho sa mamaya, no?
I love you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. Okay. Ayos. Parating kami dito sa aming hotel na tinitirahan. Natitirahan pala na tutulugan. 2:10 PM. Check-in kami. So tapos mamaya dinner kami ng 7. And then puntahan daw namin yung mga business nila, pasyal niya kami doon. Ayan, gabi. So, party tayo mamayang gabi. Samahan niyo kami, guys. Thank you so much. Pahin lang natin sila, ma'am. Stop lang. High network. Yan.